Hello everyone, I've just done a video making some Christmas beaded bow decorations, which I'll link for you here. And I thought I would make a smaller version that you could make into jewellery. So here's one that I've just made. Now I did try using tiger tail and it's just too flimsy, it does not work. So this I've used 0.8 silver copper wire. And all I've done at the end is I've made loops on the end, just something a little bit different. And if you want to just make these into earrings, you would just attach these are 8mm stainless steel. And it's up to you, but you could easily just hook them on the end with an earring wire. Easily hook them on the end. Just you could make a pair of earrings, but I just wanted to show you how you can make the smaller bow. So I'm going to take 30 centimeters of wire. Just going to pop a clip on the end, and I'm just using some 3mm pearl beads, and I've got a 5mm pearl bead here. So what you would do is you would thread 10 beads. Then I'm going to put the 5mm bead, and then another 10 3mm beads, and obviously it's up to you what size beads you want to use and how much of a statement earring you want to make. But you can go even tinier to make delicate ones. These are really easy to make. There we are. Put them into the center of your wire. And then this side, we're going to thread into that middle 5mm pearl, pull, and then this side, we are going to put through the same hole. Is a bit fiddly, so make sure your beads have a hole big enough. So we thread that one through. And then what I do, take your pliers and pull. And that makes your bow come together. Bit of a gap, bit of silver wire showing. So I'm going to pull it some more. Now to hold it in place, I actually take the wire and just loop it around the side of that 5mm bead, and the same for the other side. We loop it round, and that just keeps everything in place. So we're then going to put 10 pearl beads. I love pearl beads. Just double check I've got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, make sure they're pushed right up to the top. Then measure 2 centimeters at the bottom of wire and then snip. Now take your round nose pliers and then just turn on yourself. Keep taking it out. And just at the very end, just push those together because you don't want any sharp bits sticking out. And we do the same for the other side. 10 beads. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. And lots of the supplies that I use you will find on there. And I currently have a 10% offer for £10 spend. And there's lots of price reductions as well. So go and grab yourself a bargain. One more. Okay. Measure 2 centimeters and then snip. And then we're going to do the same for the other side. Oh, that one's, just need to squeeze that one together more. That one's fine. So there we have that bow. You can put a chain through to make a necklace. You can just actually put a chain just through one of these loops if you wanted to. So I do hope you find that useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of jewellery tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.